Yeah, we had
Yeah.
a garden in Syria.
Big
And
garden,
it was like a large garden.
big farm.
We had like 30 cows and 150 sheep. But it's all gone because of the war and like stuff. So it's all like it's not gone, it's got stolen.
Yeah, the Syrian family, they were referred to me by their social worker. And he said, Raymond, I heard about your project, and I do have a newcomer family who is in a desperate need of a space where to grow something and to interact with other newcomers because they are very isolated. And that's how when I showed them the plot, I said, this is your plot. And the mother started tearing, and for a while, and she's saying that she's full of joy. This is a tear of joy because being farmers in Syria and having to leave their country, leaving everything behind, including their lands and everything, to find themselves in Lebanon as a refugee with nothing, no contact with the soil and everything. When they come here, remaining within their apartment all the time, it was very depressive for them. That's why she's crying of joy to find the land, because finally they will be reconnecting with the land. And since then, they started spending like over 10 hours, sometimes more than half of the day here in family, eating, drinking tea, working, and interacting with other people. Haji Mariam ended up adopting me. So she said, from now on, you are one of my sons, my children, and feeding me with good food and everything. I said, no, Haji Mariam, I don't want. Say, no, you are my son, you have to eat my food all the time.
And I am his sister.
Oh, this is my little sister too.